finishing off with a strong slam dunk. Shot, you do not allow him a second attempt.
Brownlee's no. You know, the point you just made about Fajardo, Jim Cone stood along the sideline, his hands on his head, talagang galit na galit. To play again. The dish! Emerson! Here's that last play. Look at this pass. And got everybody committed to him coming in. Parang siyang badlet eh.
Walang communication. That's a big-to-big connection. And Justin Brownlee with a flush.
9 minutes in na yan, ha? And Ginebra, on the other hand, has scored 20. So it's 20-2.
Moment pass inside to JP. That's gonna be a 3-point play over.
Bigat na matchup para kay
Kabutin. Mahirap lang.
sa ating liga.
May isa ko! Wow! Tumiga sa ere. Slightly free. Jumper. He was flat. And Justin Brownlee just played great defense. The past two sequences. Jordan Williams, a block underneath on the right side. And a block atop the three-point line. Coach playing both ends of the floor. Mr. Super Magic Brownlee.
He goes the other way. Pinto misses. Somehow, Brownlee ended up with it.
Look at that shot of Pinto. He will miss it. But the hand of Scotty Thompson tapping it to Jay. For rain or shine. You're only down by 5, but they have to play better defense. Backdoor play. Easy move.
Goes back to Scotty. Inside you go to JP. 6 for 6 for Justin Brownlee. Sa haba ng pinagsamahan ng dalawang to, hindi na kailangan magkindakan to eh.
Correct.
Amo yan lang kung saan pupunta yun eh.
And it's the same thing. It's a pass to the post and a backdoor cut by JP. Snowballs into your effort for the rest of the game.
No, that's true, Jim.
So you hit it right on the nail. As you see Justin being himself with that easy pull-up. You're going up against a championship caliber team. And you have a Justin Brownlee who is very reliable when you need a basket. Defense, naglalaro rin yan. Kapawis. Malayo po yung level ng draw charge sa ganun. Brownlee finishes that one! Mas mabilis to si Rosser. But again, C-Stan is also quick as you see him. Once he understands they have possession, he's running the floor. And this was the connection.
Also, hustle for it. Every time, JP!
Bigat talaga, nakahaba nila, talaga nagpo-pressure.
Coach Frankie has seen enough. Parang Ginebra racing off to it.
Ginebra, looking for the insurance bucket.
Oh, nawala kay Brownlee.
Pero nag-recover at napasok pa rin.
Just doing what he does in this league after Brownlee did what he does. He lost it. And he regained control, squared his shoulders towards the basket, and put it in. What's that? Oh, nawala na eh. Dinobo na lang. Nothing but net pa rin.
Ang hindi magpapausyo ka na.
Brownlee did it. Tatlo, nilusutan ko.
Tsaka rin
Yung binabanggit mong alaway na tira, no? That's 1 defender. 2 and 3. Kinaliwa. Ang pagkakayoyo. JP putting on a show. 11 points in the first half para dito kay Brownlee. None louder than those last two.
Dahil mahihirapan maka-cross-match itong sa tiga. Pinto, that 3-point shot. Hatid sa inyo ng Pinto. Last two possessions. And the other thing, stepping on the gas and scoring on the break, using their quickness advantage is parang ganyan.
Wow, what a play